In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an abandoned cart email on Shopify. If customers add products to their cart but leave before completing their purchase, Shopify can automatically send them a reminder email to encourage them to come back and finish checking out. Let's get started by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin page, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Marketing. This is where Shopify lets you create campaigns and automate customer communication. If you haven't explored this section before, you'll find options for email marketing, automations, and integrations with other marketing tools. Inside the marketing section, click Automations. Shopify includes several ready-made automations for common e-commerce tasks, such as welcoming new subscribers, sending post-purchase emails, and recovering abandoned carts. Using automations saves time because Shopify sends emails automatically based on customer behavior. If you don't already have an abandoned cart automation enabled, click View Templates or Create Automation depending on your version of Shopify. A list of available automation templates will appear. Use the search bar and type Abandoned Cart or Recover Abandoned Checkout. Shopify will display the recovery automation template designed specifically for customers who leave without completing their purchase. Select the Recover Abandoned Cart template. Before activating it, take a few minutes to review the workflow. You'll see the trigger that starts the automation, which is when a customer abandons their checkout or cart based on your Shopify settings. You can also see how long Shopify waits before sending the reminder email. Many stores use a delay of 1 hour, but you can adjust this depending on your sales strategy. Some businesses prefer sending the first reminder sooner, while others wait several hours to avoid appearing too aggressive. Next, customize the email itself. Click on the Email step within the automation to open the editor. Shopify provides a professionally designed template that already includes the customer's abandoned products, a Return to Cart button, and branding elements. You can edit the subject line to make it more engaging. For example, you might use something like "You left something behind" or "Complete your order before it's gone." Keep the subject line short and clear so customers immediately understand the purpose of the email. Now review the email content. You can update the greeting, adjust the message, and add your brand's tone of voice. A simple reminder often performs well, but you can also mention limited stock, fast shipping, or customer support if someone needs help completing their purchase. If your business offers discount codes for abandoned carts, this is also where you can include them, although many stores first test reminders without discounts before offering incentives. Don't forget to preview the email before activating the automation. Shopify allows you to see how the message looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Check that your logo displays correctly, product images load properly, and all buttons lead back to the customer's checkout. A quick preview helps catch formatting issues before real customers receive the email. Depending on your store setup, Shopify may prompt you to install or configure Shopify Email if it isn't already enabled. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once everything is ready, return to the automation and click Turn On or Activate. Your abandoned cart recovery workflow is now live. After activation, it's a good idea to monitor its performance. Over time, visit the Marketing or Analytics section to review how many recovery emails were sent, how many customers opened them, and how many completed their purchases. These insights can help you improve your subject lines, email timing, or messaging to recover even more abandoned carts. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up an abandoned cart email on Shopify. Once activated, Shopify will automatically remind customers to return and complete their purchases, helping you recover sales that might otherwise be lost. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify guides, and thanks for watching.